Hello everyone, this is Dan here from TommusRhodus Support. I'm just going to take you through building a page from scratch with Partner, our WordPress theme. So at this stage we've imported all the demo data and we've got everything set up just like the demo, which is great. But in this video we're just going to create a fresh page from scratch and just kind of go through a few things with Visual Composer, just how it works, and generally give you a bit more of an understanding of how it all goes together. So we'll get cracking and I'll go straight to New and Page, and I will call this Dan's homepage. Now before we go any further, I'm going to activate the backend editor and just explain a little bit. Basically, as with a lot of our themes now, we use Visual Composer. It's a very straightforward system to use. You can literally just add blocks as you wish and just build it very much like Lego, and you can create a whole page in seconds. However, there are a few things which may not make sense originally, but we'll go through that in this video. So to begin with, I'm going to start by adding a nice hero area at the top, kind of typical kind of thing that most people would do. I'll go straight in for the slider. I'll drop that block in, and I'm going to add a slide. I'll use that black and white image there, and I'll put in some text here. Dan's slide text. And before we go any further, let's publish the page and take a quick look, just so you can see what to expect. Okay, so we can see what we've got here is pretty much what we've asked for. We've created a new page, there's the title, there's the slide. However, it doesn't look quite as good as the demo. You know, if we don't want a nice home page, we don't want this page title. So first of all, back in the page, we'll go to the page title area here, and we'll select no. And if we refresh, we can see there you go, the page title is gone. And next up, you may not want to have it boxed in like this, like the demo. You may want to have it nice and full width. That's no problem either. Just simply head to the row settings, which is this pencil here, and we'll stretch the row. Okay, now let's take a look. Perfect. So you can see there with just a couple of tweaks, we've got a nice banner going on the top here. You know what? I actually don't like that black and white image there. I'm going to go for something with a bit of colour. And I'll pop in another slide as well. So let's polish this up a little. So we'll make it a nice big heading. We'll center align it. And with Visual Composer, we can just duplicate this slide. And I'll just edit the next slide so that's it's got a different image and a different text. There we go. Now we've got a nice little slider there. Absolutely perfect. Couldn't be any easier to put together, really. So carrying on, let's add a few bit more to the page. We're done with this top row here, so we'll hit the add button here and pop in something else. Got quite a lot of choice here. I think I might go for a let's go for some services. Now we're going to show. No, we'll keep it with 4, and we won't add anything else to the page at this point. Let's just refresh and see what we've got. So there we go. We can see we've got our services appearing neatly there. Let's say perhaps we want to give that a title above that. Well, that's no problem. We can hit this little plus icon here to add more blocks to the row. And we can simply use the text block available within WordPress to pop in something above. So let's say what we do. Let's make that a nice heading as well. Center align that. Oh, there it is down there. We'll drag that up. And what would be nice is just to add a bit of space below so they're not pushed up right against one another. So we'll add another block, a little empty space one here. give it a nice tall 60 pixels, and I'll place that in between the title and the service feed. So let's update the page, refresh, stunning, there we go, we've got that there too. Now back in the page admin area, we'll pop in something else, and we will just make it a team feed. Yeah, that's fine, we'll use the grid. And in the options for the row, we're going to change this to a parallax background. It's all really straightforward. So to do this, we simply select simple from the parallax here, and I'll pop in this image as a background. So let's refresh, and there you go. Within absolutely no time, we've got the team feed appearing there as well. Absolutely stunning, and takes no time at all. And there we go. We've just started creating a page from scratch with a partner for WordPress. Obviously, from this point onwards, with the demo data and what we've given you, you should be able to produce pretty much any page you wish from the demo. Any more problems, however, or any questions about this, do come and see me over at support. I hope this has been useful. Thanks for watching.